Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy twist out. And as always, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. So you'll need a few products to start. The Almond Twist and Butter by Camille Rose, Let's Jam, a few hair clips, a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and some hair scrunchies. So of course I'm starting off with some freshly washed hair, and the first thing that I'm going to do is detangle my hair. So with the rat tail comb, I'm going to create a middle part, which is really the only part that really matters. And then when I section my other parts of my hair, it's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, now that I have my hair sectioned in 4 parts, I'm going to start detangling. So with your wide tooth comb, you're going to detangle each section of your hair. Be sure when you're detangling that you start from the ends and work your way up to the roots. So really the jam is optional, but all that I do is just place it on my edges to kind of like smooth out my edges a little bit. Okay, so now for the fun part. Each section, which you have a total of 4 sections, you should have 2 flat twists. So in all, you should have a total of 8 flat twists once you complete all sections of your hair. Okay, so I'm going to take like a quarter size of product and place it like towards the root of my hair. Now once I have the product on my hair, I'm going to grab a small section of that section and begin twisting. So you're going to split this small section into 2. And you just start twisting, whether you go left or right, it really doesn't matter, but you're going to twist. As you twist down, you're going to continue to grab hair until you reach the end. And as I'm twisting, I typically like to get a little bit more product on my hair as I go along. Okay, so once you have 2-strand twisted your hair, you're going to just take the ends and start twirling it around until you make a Bantu knot. So then you'll just take your scrunchie and you'll place it around your Bantu knot until it's secure. Okay, so I have 8 flat twists and all of the ends have been Bantu knotted, and so now you just need a bonnet for bed. So it's super easy and fast to take this down in the morning. So once you take the scrunchies off of your Bantu knots, then you should have a really nice twist out. One thing to remember when taking down your twist is that you don't need any additional products to put on your hair when taking them down, because with using the Camille Rose Twist and Butter, it already provides the oils and moisture that you need for your hair. One thing that I like to do once I have taken down all the twists is I like to go through and kind of separate my hair a little bit. And this is optional. If you like big hair like me, then this is definitely something that you want to do. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, this is an easy twist out tutorial. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.